Huawei seems ready to take a bold new step with the upcoming Mate 80 series. According to recent information, all Huawei Mate 80 models, including the standard version, are expected to support 3D face recognition. This marks a major change in the company's design and feature strategy, breaking the two-year-old trend where only the premium Mate Pro variants had access to 3D facial scanning technology. The new details come from a leak shared by Digital Chat Station, who found this information on the official development page for the latest Harmonios system. While the page mainly discusses software improvements, one line stood out, mentioning that every Mate 80 model supports 3D face recognition. The document reportedly stated, currently, only the entire Mate 80 series and other Mate Pro and above devices support 3D face recognition. Foldable screens and the P series are not currently supported. This statement reveals two important things. First, Huawei plans to include 3D face recognition in every model of the Mate 80 lineup, not just the Pro or Ultimate versions. Second, it suggests that the company has upgraded its 3D face recognition technology for this generation, making it more reliable and perhaps faster than before. In previous years, Huawei followed a predictable pattern. The Mate 70 series, for example, kept the advanced 3D face recognition limited to its higher-end models. The standard Mate 70 only featured a single punch-hole design for its front camera, while the Mate 70 Pro and RS Ultimate design included 3 punch holes, one for each component of the 3D facial scanning system. But this time, things might be different. The new leak hints that even the base Mate 80 model could feature a triple punch-hole setup on the front display, suggesting the inclusion of the same powerful 3D face recognition system seen on the premium versions. This is a big deal for Huawei fans who prefer the standard models but don't want to compromise on advanced security features. It also shows that Huawei is committed to improving its user experience across the entire lineup, rather than reserving the best features only for the most expensive phones. Now, for those unfamiliar with how Huawei's 3D face recognition works, it's a highly advanced biometric system designed for security and convenience. Unlike traditional 2D face unlock methods that rely on simple image scanning, Huawei's 3D face recognition uses a time-of-flight or TUF 3D camera. This camera projects an invisible light pattern onto the user's face and measures the time it takes for the light to bounce back. By doing this, it accurately maps the depth, contours, and shape of the face in 3 dimensions. This helps the phone recognize the user's face with incredible precision, even in low light conditions. Because it analyzes depth information, the system can easily detect fake attempts to unlock the device using photos, videos, or masks. This makes it one of the most secure face authentication systems available on smartphones today. It's the same kind of technology used in high-end security systems and even some augmented reality applications. The move to bring 3D face recognition to every Mate 80 variant could also mean Huawei is working on a unified front design across the lineup. The triple punch-hole design may serve not only the front camera, but also the 3D sensors required for accurate face scanning. This could make the standard Mate 80 look and perform more like its Pro siblings than ever before. It's also likely that Huawei has refined the speed and efficiency of this feature. With new hardware and software optimizations in Harmonios, unlocking might be faster and smoother, while consuming less power. Another interesting point is that the leak mentions foldable phones, and the P series are still not supported. This suggests Huawei is keeping the 3D face recognition system exclusive to its Mate lineup, which has long been known for pushing technological boundaries and focusing on innovation. The inclusion of this feature in every model could also boost Huawei's competitiveness against brands like Apple, which has offered Face ID across all iPhone models for years. If Huawei manages to deliver similar or better performance, it could become a major selling point, especially for users who value privacy and security. While the company hasn't officially confirmed these details, yet the information coming from HarmonyOS documents makes it quite reliable. More details will likely be revealed once Huawei officially unveils the Mate 80 lineup in the coming months. In short, the upcoming Mate 80 series may represent a major leap in Huawei's flagship strategy. Instead of keeping advanced features locked behind premium price tags, the company might be ready to bring top-tier innovations like 3D face recognition to all users. If true, this could make the Mate 80 lineup one of the most balanced and technologically advanced smartphone series of the year.